Hello and welcome to another edition of Sporty's Product Private Videos. My name is Doug and today we're going to look at the Flight Gear Cross Country Backpack. This is the smaller of the two backpacks in the Flight Gear line, and it was designed for pilots on the go who are looking for a smaller footprint but still store all their gear. This backpack has some really great pilot-centric features. We've loaded up this backpack with all of our pilot gear to show you how it would work. The main compartment has these beefy number 10 zippers on it. It opens up wide here. The inside has room for a logbook. There's a little sleeve here for an iPad. And there's even a spot for a backup battery. The neat thing about this main compartment with a backup battery is you can take the charging cable you have attached to it and feed it through this little through hole on the side. So when the bag's closed up, you still have access to your backup battery brick. The very front of the compartment has this soft velvet material. And we've designed these Sporty's gear mods to attach to this, so you can add pockets and customize it however you like. We've also put the same type of fabric on the side of our knee boards. So your gear mod can go from your bag to your knee board. On the outside of the bag, we have a lot of organizational pockets. The top pocket is what we call the sunglass pocket. It's nice and soft lined. Here we have a Stratus. The next pocket down is our headset pocket. And it's kind of tight for the big headsets, but you'll notice I have a Zulu 3 in here, and it fits just fine. If you want to keep your headset inside the bag it came with, you're probably going to have to put it in the main compartment. There's plenty of space on the inside to do that. The front compartment here is perfect for charging cables, as well as a flashlight. If you want to get this bag embroidered, you have that ability. Optional embroidery is available and it'll go right here on the front. Each side of the bag has a mesh pocket. On this side I have a radio, and on this side I have a fuel tester. You can put a water bottle in there if you like. The back of the bag has your padding as well as your padded shoulder straps. You'll notice that the straps here have the thumb loops for quick adjustments. The top of the bag has this really thick padded handle and makes it easy to grab this bag and go. This bag sells for $59.95 and you can find it on sportys.com.